Dear students, today we talk on types of placenta. You already studied some types of placenta. Today we are going to discuss something about a classification of placenta based on their morphology. Classification of chorioallantoic placenta. According to the distribution of chorionic villi on choria based on the morphology. So, based on the morphology of placenta can be classified into following types. The following types of placenta are recognized according to the distribution of villi. They are of different types. So, classification of placenta based on the distribution of villi. First one is diffused placenta. In this type of placenta, the chorionic villi are more or less uniformly distributed all over the surface of choria except at the extreme end. So, the nature of villi is the uniform distribution that indicates a diffused placenta. Examples pig, horse, whales, etc. Second one is a cotyledonary placenta. In this type of placenta, the villi are arranged in patches or tufts of villi. These groups are called cotyledons. While the rest of the chorionic surface is smooth, the uterine wall has a number of thickened depressions called carunculus into which the cotyledons fit. So here the group of villi forms patch-like structure called as cotyledon. So cotyledonary placenta include the distribution of villi in the form of patches or tufts. Examples cow, sheep, deer, etc. So nature of villi, that means distribution of villi. There are two types, diffused placenta and cotyledonary placenta, along with examples. So diffused placenta, here the villi are uniformly distributed. Examples pig, horse, whales, etc. In the cotyledonary placenta, the villi are arranged in the form of patches or tufts. Examples cow, sheep, deer, etc. Intermediate placenta. This type of placenta has both cotyledons and villi. The villi are scattered in between the cotyledons. Examples giraffe, camel, etc. Note: diffused, cotyledonary and intermediate placenta are of non-deciduate type in which the villi are simple and fit into depressions of the uterine wall. No bleeding is seen during parturition. Next one is zonary placenta. In this type of placenta, the villi are arranged in the form of incomplete or complete bands or belts around the chorionic sac. So here the villi are arranged in the form of band around the chorionic sac. Examples cat, dog, tiger, lion, etc. Second one is a discoidal placenta. In this type of placenta, the villi are restricted to small disc-like area because the placenta has a single disc shaped area. It is called a monodiscoidal placenta. Example, insectivores like shrews and moles, bat, rat, rabbit, human, apes, etc. In the discoidal placenta, the monodiscoidal placenta is developed by the arrangement of villi in the form of disc shape. Whether it is a single disc that is under a monodiscoidal placenta. In monkey, there are two disc-shaped villus area. Such a placenta is called bidiscoidal placenta. There are two disc-shaped villi found in this method. Note, zonary and discoidal placenta are of deciduous or deciduate type in which the villi are branched and intimately connected with the uterine wall. During parturition, bleeding occurs. First one now, the diagram shows the diffused placenta. Second one now, cotyledonary placenta. Third one is intermediate placenta. First one now, zonary, intermediate, and then bands are going to develop by the arrangement of villi, monodiscoidal and bidiscoidal placenta, and then zonary placenta. Classification of placenta based on the nature of chorionic villi. Based on the degree of nature of chorionic villi, there are three types recognized under the chorioallantoic placenta. Non-deciduate placenta, deciduate placenta, contradeciduate placenta. I will take up first one now, non-deciduate placenta. The chorionic villi are intimately interlocked. They simply lie in the depressions of the uterine wall. At the time of birth, during parturition, separation of fetus and fetal membrane from the mother body, the chorionic villi are withdrawn from the depressions of the uterine wall like the fingers from the gloves without causing any damage to the uterine wall. So here clearly shows that the arrangement of villi like fingers from the gloves without causing any damage to the uterine wall. This is something about non-deciduate type. Such a placenta is called deciduate placenta. Further, the chorionic villi lie in opposition side by side with the uterine endometrium and do not fuse with it. Such a placenta is also called semi-placenta, hence no bleeding occurs. Second one is deciduate placenta. Here the chorionic villi are complicated, branched and intimately connected at the time of birth. During parturition, uterine tissue will break off when chorionic villi pull out from the depressions of the uterine wall. Bleeding occurs. The torn out uterine tissues is called deciduea and is passed after the childbirth. Such a placenta is a deciduate placenta. Examples: rat, rabbit, dog, monkey, human, etc. Decidia has three important parts. They are Decidias basalis, Decidias capsularis, Decidias parietalis. First one now, Decidias basalis. The upper part of the uterine wall to which the embryo becomes attached. Second one is Decidias capsularis, the part which surrounds the blastocyst and separate it from the cavity of the uterus. Deciduous parietalis, the part which forms the inner lining of the uterine wall. Next one is a contradeciduate placenta. In this type, no part of the placenta is thrown out at the time of birth. Instead, the fetal portion of the placenta remains in the uterus and subsequently absorbed in the uterine wall by maternal leukocytes. This condition is called contradeciduate placenta. So examples for contradeciduate placenta are the bandicoots, moles, etc. Any clarification, any doubts, send me the messages. Thank you.